To promote data accuracy and consistency, NorthstarMLS implemented a real estate standards organization field called Listing City in the Add Edit Listing Input system. This new button will allow NorthstarMLS subscribers to select the desired city to be displayed on their listing across websites and other systems when the municipality and postal city differ. Let me show you how it works. For example, in the Twin Cities Metro, a property may have the municipality of Arden Hills and the postal city of New Brighton. Using the Listing City radio buttons, the desired city can be selected to be displayed on the listing. If the municipality and postal city are the same, the Listing City radio buttons will not be available. An additional example, in rural areas where townships are more common, a property may have the municipality of the Detroit Township and the postal city of Detroit Lakes. Using the Listing City radio buttons, the desired city can be selected to be displayed on the listing. Again, if the postal city and municipality are the same, the radio buttons will not be available. If you have any questions, please contact the NorthstarMLS Help Desk.